Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel on this beautiful, beautiful late winter day in southern West Virginia here in first week of March 2024. It's just gorgeous. The frogs are peeping, the sun's are shining. I'm in my shorts. It's a great day. Now these folks here called this morning and said that their freshwater tank is overflowing. It's leaking into the camper. You got water dripping outside. So, y'all know what's wrong? The water pump is bad. I'll just tell you right up front. I ain't even gonna make you wait. There's a check valve in the water pump. So when you're hooked to city water, you know the water is pressurized to the pump, to the inside of the pump. But there's a check valve in there. It's supposed to keep the water from going through the pump and right straight into your freshwater tank. They fail sometimes. This one has had a failure. So we're going to switch the water tank. I'm going to try to take in there. The pump's not in a great place. It's under a kitchen cabinet. I actually have to take a couple drawers out and reach through the drawer holes to get to it, I think. I may see if I got better access some other way. Sorry, my eyes itching. But yeah, I'll take you in there, but I don't know if I'll be able to show you. So let's get started. Customer already started draining the freshwater tank because it's plumb full. So yeah. Hey kitty, here. Hey, get out of here. Cat tried to get my fan. I hate it when they do that. I mean, I like cats. I got a cat, my Bonnie cat, but I hate it when these cats try and get in my van and go exploring when I'm at a job. Only thing worse than that's when dogs do it, because they'll go in there and steal tools and stuff sometimes, or a puppy. Don't like that either. So like I said, down there is where that pump lives. I might be able to set y'all up over here, but you ain't gonna be able to see nothing. All I have to do is take the 4 screws out of the base, unhook the water lines, pop the new pump in, screw it down, hook up the water lines, and we're done. Let me set you up over here and see if you can see anything at all. One of y'all out there commented the last time when I was changing the water pump, y'all said you should use your wet dry vac to get that water rather than try and catch it all on towel. So, you know what? I listened. I'm gonna try that. So I broke out my Milwaukee M18 wet dry vac, because when I took that first water line off that pump, it squirted pretty good. So let's see how this is gonna work. It's gonna get noisy. Y'all the ones that wanted me to try it. So. That worked amazing. Okay, finally got those rear 2 screws out. Well, actually, I just cut the rubber away from one. Go get a couple of Wagos and a pair of strippers and we'll get this thing switched out. All right, got me a couple Wagos. I don't know exactly what I did with them. What did I do with them? Oh, there they are. So I have these in my Amazon store along with a lot of other parts and tools that I use on a daily basis. So if you would be so inclined, if you were going to buy something from Amazon anyway, I'd really appreciate it if you go to my Amazon store. Oh, y'all can't see what I'm doing. Like I say, if you're going to buy something from Amazon anyway, if you just go to my store and buy it there, that would be awesome. Amazon will throw a couple pennies my way, which helps. How do you find my Amazon store? Well, you go to my website, hillbillyrv.net. You will find links to all kinds of stuff there. PayPal, Patreon, the Amazon store, merch, hats, stickers, all kinds of goodies. So now this is a Shurflo. I'm going to replace it with a FloJet. It's exactly the same physical size. It is, I feel like it's a better pump. Plus, it's much cheaper. Shurflos now have got to be like 230 bucks or something. I mean, it's ridiculous. FloJet comes with a new screen. Comes with all the fittings you're going to need. I think they're just a better pump. Plus, now they're much cheaper. I'm selling this one for 150 bucks, which is suggested retail, plus maybe $2 or $3 worth of shipping, but still. So, out with the old, in with the new. By the time we put the strainer on there, it's exactly the same dimensions, same amount of flow, everything's the same. The great thing about FloJet, well, y'all still can't see, is they use these quick connects, which I really like. You got to get it all the way open. Just put it in, click, it's done. Open our bag of fittings. We're going to want the ones that's got straight fitting with 1/2-inch pipe thread. Those two, right? Those two right there. The rest of those are junk. Same deal. We're just going to go ahead and pop them in. Push the little blue thingy down. Put that one in. Put the little blue thingy down. Boom. It's ready to go. We can just go ahead and make our wire connections out here, since they actually left us a little extra wire. Slide it back down here in its little home. Make sure the wires are not underneath of it. We're ready to hook the water lines up. I'm just going to get this hooked up, and then we'll be back to wrap up. Well, alright, that's a done deal. I actually had a little trouble. One of the fittings that screws on the water line and then quick connects to the pump kept leaking, and I changed the O-ring and even used my assembly lube. For all you O-ring specialists out there that get on me for using Vaseline on O-rings, my brother, thanks Keith, actually got me assembly lube for O-rings. I was using that, and like I say, it's changed O-ring, still leaking. changed the whole fitting. Seems to be fine now. So yeah, I don't know, that was pretty weird, but yeah, but don't y'all be weird. Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, concern. Don't forget to go to my website, check out everything that's going on there, and I may or may not be going up the road to fix another one today, but no matter what, y'all have a great day.